So, welcome to this broadcast here. This is Michael Beligiannis from Denmark, and together with
Rob de Groof from Belgium.
yeah, and we're doing a street hypnosis workshop in Denmark, the 5th of March, 2026. And Rob will do the English version of the street hypnosis workshop, and I will do the Danish version of the pretty much the same workshop, but they will tend to be different, right?
Yeah, I think we will both have our own way of explaining, but the goal is actually the same. We want to prepare people so that they can join us somewhere in Copenhagen on the street or in a bar or whatever spot we think will be good at that time. So they are actually ready to hypnotize people out of the blue somewhere in Copenhagen.
Yes, and even though we are different as people, that is a part of it. That you can see different approaches working. But either way, we hope that we'll give you a structured way to do this kind of work on the streets. So you'll get exercises that are fun, that are engaging. We'll take care of safety concerns so you don't have to run into safety problems on the streets. We'll just have fun.
I think that's a really important part. Because I saw this thing happen at other conferences or convention that people are willing to go out there and do some street hypnosis, but they are lack the experience. It's not so much about how to hypnotize people, but it's more about how to structure it and how to make sure that everything happens as safe as possible, of course, because you're not in a controlled environment like a therapy room or even not like a stage where you have more control than when you do it impromptu out there somewhere. So I think that's really important. And especially one of the things that is really important is that they know who to approach and especially who not to approach. And I think that's really important, of course.
Super important. And also where you do it.
Yeah.
Where is the perfect setting to do street hypnosis? Because some spaces are better than others.
Yeah.
So you'll learn that. You'll learn a structured approach, fun exercises. You'll learn the safety precautions. And the fun thing, I think, is many people say to me, why do street hypnosis? Why do this showy hypnosis stuff? Aren't you a serious therapist? But actually, I think that I find that it makes me a better therapist.
Yeah.
And also, it makes me quicker to think when I'm in sessions with clients because I have the ability to be flexible and use the phenomena and use the what's it called, the body language, to see where to sneak in suggestions and use it creatively.
One thing that I see every single time when I do my out of the blue training in Belgium, it's a 2-day training on street hypnosis and things like that, and then we actually go on the streets and we do some actual hypnosis out there, and most of them are just hypnotherapists who will never have the ambition to become like a professional entertainer, but they all gain a lot of confidence as a hypnotherapist by being able to hypnotize people under all circumstances. Because I think it's a bit of a shame that most of the hypnotherapists, they never hypnotize anybody outside of their therapy room. And even if you don't have the ambition to go out there and be a performer on the streets, I think whenever you do a lecture on hypnosis and you can show a little demonstration and you have the confidence to do that with even simple phenomena like a raising arm or a sticking hand to the forehead, that will impress people much more and it will stay with them much longer than the 2 hours of wonderful explanation you did about hypnotherapy and all the things you can achieve with hypnosis. But I think that 5-minute demonstration, that will plant the seed in their head. and whenever later they need a hypnotherapist, they will remember you. And I think that is the advantage, especially for hypnotherapists, to go out of their comfort zone and hypnotize people in a bar, on the street, or train station, wherever you are able to do so. So train station is not a very good example because people don't want to be hypnotized when they're on their way home. So no.
Exactly.
Yeah, but
Exactly.
that's I think that's the most important thing of being able to go out there and hypnotize people. Your confidence will grow.
Exactly. That's my view too.
Mm.
So I don't know if there's so much more to say, Rob.
No, I think the most important thing is when you go to the conference in Copenhagen, just be sure to join us on Thursday, and you will learn some new things. And the experience of going out there, it's just great. And we both will join you, so we will be there to keep you and your participants safe. We will always be there to help whenever it's needed, or to give advice, or even when we spot something, we can just jump in and give you some advice and make sure that everything. So don't be afraid of it. Just go out with us. We will prepare you. We do a little workshop. We will prepare you, and then we go all together somewhere. Maybe we will split in smaller groups, but there will always be one of us close by to make sure that everything runs smooth.
Exactly. And a little thing that's super important that you usually miss, that's the approach when you approach people, how to say, hi, I'm a hypnotist, and start hypnotizing. That's a key feature, how to approach people and be engaging, and so
Yeah.
you get as many people engaged as possible. But
Yeah,
as you
I
said,
think
Rob, we are with
really
you
important.
all the way and we'll
Especially,
support you.
I don't know how it is in Denmark, but I can imagine it's a bit like the same in Belgium, because when in Belgium and you just go to somebody and you say, "Hey, I'm a hypnotist. Can I hypnotize you?" They all run the 100 meters in a world record time. So because in Belgium they are not so open for things like that, and I can imagine that in Denmark it's you need a bit the same approach as in Belgium. So you have to prepare them a bit more than just go out, "Oh, I'm a hypnotist, can I hypnotize you?" So,
Exactly, exactly.
yeah.
It's exactly the same in Denmark, but there's small bits and pieces that makes it work more often.
Yeah.
But we'll be there. We'll support you. We'll make sure everything goes all right, and we'll troubleshoot with you. Yeah.
Okay, I'm looking forward to this, and I'm really looking forward to see you guys in Copenhagen, and join us for this workshop. It will only benefit your skills as a hypnotherapist.
Yes. So hope to see you there.
See you there.
Bye.
Bye.